Are you tired of spending hours on Pinterest without seeing any growth? What if I told you there's a game-changing tool that can schedule your pins for maximum reach while you sleep? Stick around because in this video, I'm revealing the secret to skyrocketing your Pinterest success with Tailwind. Step 1. Setting up your Tailwind account. Head over to the Tailwind website and sign up for an account. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, the next step is to link your Pinterest account to Tailwind. This is crucial because Tailwind needs permission to access and manage your Pinterest boards. Don't worry, it's secure and approved by Pinterest. After linking your account, you'll find yourself staring at your new Tailwind dashboard. Take a moment to breathe because this dashboard will become your best friend. It's fully customizable to suit your specific scheduling needs. Spend some time going through the options available and setting it up in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. Familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, but like any tool, it takes a bit of getting used to. What kind of content would you love to start scheduling first? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Step 2. Creating a pinning schedule. To really make the most of Tailwind, you'll want to create a pinning schedule that maximizes your reach and engagement. Start by diving into your Pinterest analytics to understand when your audience is most active. These insights are critical. They'll guide you in selecting the optimal times to post. But you don't have to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Tailwind offers a fantastic Smart Schedule feature that analyzes your audience's activity and automatically suggests the best times to pin. Simply use this feature to fill your schedule with those prime posting times. Consistency is key here. Aim to space out your pins throughout the day to maintain a steady flow of content. This way, you keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them with too much at once. Think of your pinning schedule as a balanced diet for your Pinterest profile. Too much at one time isn't good, and too little fails to keep your followers interested. With a well-structured schedule, you can effortlessly keep your boards fresh and appealing, driving continuous engagement. Now that you've got a handle on scheduling, what's the first piece of content you can't wait to pin using Tailwind's Smart Schedule? Step 3. Scheduling and automating pins. First things first, let's talk about uploading your pins to Tailwind. It's more than just dragging and dropping images. You need to add relevant descriptions, links, and hashtags to each pin. These elements are crucial because they make your pins discoverable and enticing. Think about your target audience. What keywords and phrases would they likely use? Incorporate these into your descriptions and hashtags to boost your visibility. Next, one of the handiest tools at your disposal is the Tailwind browser extension. This nifty feature lets you schedule pins from anywhere on the web. Imagine finding a fantastic blog post or an eye-catching infographic. With a few quick clicks, you can add it to your Tailwind queue without breaking your browsing flow. It's a massive time saver and ensures you always have fresh content ready to go. Now, let's dive into Tailwind Tribes. This feature allows you to organize and share your pins with a broader audience. By joining relevant tribes, you can connect with like-minded individuals who can help amplify your reach. When you add your pins to a tribe, you're not just sharing content, you're also receiving valuable pins from others to share. It's a win-win situation that can significantly boost your engagement. Lastly, let's discuss the auto post feature. This is where Tailwind truly shines. Auto post ensures your pins go live at the optimal times, even when you're offline. Tailwind analyzes your audience's activity to post when they are most active, maximizing your chances of engagement. It's perfect for maintaining a consistent presence without having to be online 24/7. So, what should be your next step in mastering Tailwind's features? How about exploring the Tailwind browser extension to see how it can seamlessly integrate into your workflow?